Friends, open Pixar tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the flag PNG. Friends, this is the flag PNG. The first step, go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the model image today we are going to use, but I already erased the background. Okay, you have to erase the background, and after erasing background you have to arrange this model image perfectly in this portion like I'm doing in the video. You have to arrange in this portion. Okay, it is perfect. Now tap on shadow, tap on position, make it 100, tap on adjust, keep it 100 and decrease around to 25. Perfect. Now directly go to adjust, increase the saturation and increase the highlights and increase the shadow and increase the clarity, brightness to 1. Okay, and saturation little bit. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. You have to save this image. Okay, save this image. Now go back. Now you have to go to backgrounds, tap on white background. Now tap on tools, tap on crop, select the 16:9 ratio. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select this splash PNG. Simply rotate it like this. Now simply stretch it and arrange perfectly in the middle, in this portion like this. You have to stretch it. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the photo. Okay, this is the photo we edited before. Now simply stretch it like this. Now you have to go to blend and you have to make it screen or lighten. Okay, make it screen or lighten. I am going to make it lighten. Now arrange it in the center here, decrease the size like this and arrange it in the center like this. It is perfect. Now tap on eraser, tap on erase, keep it settings like this. Now we have to erase on the borders like this. Erase on the borders like this. Now tap on tick. If you want, you can stretch a little bit. Okay, it is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the Happy Independence Day PNG. This is the PNG. Now go to blend and make it multiple and arrange in this portion here. Happy Independence Day 15th August PNG. Arrange in this portion perfectly. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, I have to go to FX, tap on FX and you have to search for the Lomo option. Okay, Lomo effect. Here is the Lomo. Tap on Lomo, decrease the amount to 0 and vignette to 0 and fade it perfectly to the 50. Tap on eraser, erase on the flag. Okay, now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the flag light PNG. Simply stretch it like this and arrange perfectly like this. Okay, now tap on tick. And finally you have to do the final touch up. Go to tools, go to adjust, decrease little brightness, decrease little contrast, increase little clarity, saturation little bit, highlights little bit, give little shadow, temperature little bit. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to FX, tap on FX and search for vignette effect. Tap on vignette and keep it 50 and fade it around 80. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special Independence Day photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before background, this is the final output. If you want, you can use special effect in the Snapseed or Lightroom application. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.